So guys, in today's machine learning video, I'm telling you about what a deep learning. If you don't know what a deep learning, so we whole thing we cover about that. So get ready for that and please hit the like button, share your friends and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to all the notification bell also. If you click the all the notification bell, so you will never miss our latest video. You never miss our upcoming future latest videos. So now I do not take a long time, so let's go to computer screen and let's learn about what are deep learning and machine learning. So let's get started. So guys, in today's video of machine learning, I am telling you about the deep learning. Deep learning full form is called DL. Okay, so let's know about the deep learning and when it will be started. Let me tell you. Now let's start. The deep learning revolution started around 2010. Okay, since then, deep learning was solved many unsolvable problems. The deep learning revolution was not started by a single discovery. It more or less happened when several immediate factors were ready. Computers are very fast enough. Computer storage was big enough. Better training methods were invented. Better tuning methods are invented. These 4 points you must know. Now let's come down neurons. Scientists agree that our brain has between 80 and billion neurons. What? Our brain, like this is my brain, there is between 80 to 100 billion neurons. Okay. These neurons have hundreds of billions connections between them. Like this type of diagram you are showing, like hundreds of billion like neurons are between hundreds of billion connections between them. Like here you can see it. Like this one diagram has been made it here you can see it. Now let's come here. Image created. Image created to University of Basel. Okay. Neurons, aka nerve cells, are the fundamental units of our brain and nervous system. The neurons are responsible for receiving input from the external world, for sending output commands to our muscles, and for transforming the electrical signals in between. Okay. Now, what are neural networks? Let me tell you what are neural networks. Now, artificial neural networks are normally called neural networks. What? Artificial neural networks are normally called neural networks, and its short form is called like NN. Neural networks are in fact multiplayer perceptrons. If you don't know what are perceptrons, I make a one detailed video about that, so you can see that video also. I'll give you the link in the description below. The perceptron defines the first step into multi-layer neural networks. Neural networks are the essences of deep learning. Okay. Neural networks are one of the most significant discoveries in history. Neural networks can solve problems that cannot be solved by algorithms like medical diagnosis, like face detection, voice recognition, okay, like that. The neural network model. The input data yellow are processed against a hidden layer and hidden layer its color is blue, and modify against another hidden layer and its color is green to produce the final output red. Like this, here you can see it. Like yellow. What is the yellow? Like I've told you, the yellow is the input data output sheet. Let me tell you. Let me make one chart. Just wait a moment. Where is that? Where is that? Where? You please, you must know the yellow one is the input data. What? The yellow one is the input data. You must know these things, the input data. Let me make one shape here. The yellow one is the input data. Okay. The input data, then when we close it. Now, please, you must know the yellow one is input data, the blue one is a hidden layer, and the modifier again is another hidden layer is green, and then it produces the final output red. Like you have been seeing in the last, it is producing the red. Here you can see. This one diagram as we made it for you. Let's come down. Michel. If you don't know what are Tom Michel, let me tell you. The Tom Michael Michel, born in 1951, is an American computer scientist and university professor at the Carnegie Mellon University (CMU). He is a former chair of the machine learning department at CMU. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to someone class of task T and perform measure P if its performance at task in T as measured by P improve with experience. Tom Michel, 1999. E means experience the number of times, T means the task driving a car, P means the performance good or bad. The giraffe story. In 2015, Matthew Lai, a student at the Imperial College in London, and it created a neural network called Giraffe. Giraffe could be trained in 72 hours to play chess at the same level as an international master. Computers playing chess are not new, but the way this program was created was new. Smart chess playing programs take years to build, while Giraffe was built in 72 hours with a neural network. Deep learning. Classical programming uses programs, algorithms to create results like traditional computing. Data plus algorithm is equals to the result. Data plus computer algorithm is equals to the result. Okay. Machine learning uses results to create a program's algorithms. Machine learning. Data plus result is equals to computer algorithm. Machine learning. Machine learning is often considered equivalent with artificial intelligence. This is not correct, but machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a discipline of AI that uses the data to teach machines. Machine learning is a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being programmed. Arthur Samuel, 1959. Intelligent decision formula. Like save the result of all actions, simulate all possible outcomes, compare the new action with the old ones, check if the new action is good or bad, choose the new action if it is less bad, do it all over again. The fact that computers can do this millions of times that proven that computers can make very intelligent decisions. Okay. So here you can see it in today's video. I told you about the what deep learning in machine learning. I hope you guys concept will be clear about the deep learning, and you must know the deep learning revolution started around the 2010. Okay, 2010. Okay, and the deep learning is in the short form we call the DL. Okay. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit a like button, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you cannot miss out on any future videos. So now I appreciate your support through, and if you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, to move on to the CodeWithPk.com or my YouTube channel, so you can easily access it and bookmark it also. So now I will do next class and next are amazing like that type of videos of the deep learning and like that type of machine learning videos. So now I will do next class and next are amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.